Welcome back to the studio. So tonight I am going to show you something I just got in the mail and I want to share it with you. I'm very excited about it. I hope you're excited about it too. But I'm going to need to step back for just a minute to take a look at where I've come from before I show you where I'm going. And what I'm going to start with is this. This is a Winsor Newton travel watercolor kit. I had one of these when I started painting, and this is one of several I've had over the years. It's got, I don't know what, it's got 12 colors in it, a small mixing area, and these are really quite nice. The paints that you get in here for Cutman paints are really quite nice. I started with one of these, and then I moved to this, which is a Van Gogh. This is Van Gogh travel watercolor pack. It's got a nice place for your thumb if you're so disposed to do that, right or left-handed, I suppose. A nice little kit, very similar to this, but a little bit bigger mixing area. And this was great. Had a lot of fun using both of these. In fact, I still go back and I'll use these from time to time, especially if I'm painting with the kids or I want to throw it in a backpack and take it with me. These are fun. But I've moved up since then to something like this, which is a metal tin, same as those, with one big difference. I've got twice the mixing area as I've got in this one. This one is a travel one also. It's got a nice little hoop for your finger. You could slide it on, and if you were so disposed, you could hold that in your hand and paint and mix paint on both sides. These are pretty handy. The trays come out. You can clean them if you want, or you can take them out. It helps to get the half pans out of hard paint. This one happens to be from Prima Watercolors. This is the tropical set. A nice little tin. I moved on to something like this. And what happened next was I bought a different tin, an empty tin, and I bought some tube paints, and I decided to fill this with my own. And again, this is the same type of thing. It's got a hoop here for your finger. You can open it up, and this will pull out, or maybe it'll pull out for me. There it goes. Same exact thing, only when you put your paint, when you put your finger in the paint, it gets all over you. Only these were my own paints, and I could choose whatever colors I wanted to put in these, and that was great. A nice metal tin. Then I think maybe I moved to the bigger brother of that, and you've seen me in my videos use this many times. This is the travel watercolor tin with the hoop for your finger if you want to hold it while you're painting. You can fit 24 different colors in here, and again, a larger mixing area, which is nice. I like this because I can put this in the corner of my videos, and whoop, goes this way, and you can see just about all of it when it sits in the corner, and I've still got room to paint with. But I also have one of these that I used to use in my paintings. It takes up a lot more space than that, as you can tell, but this is great. I could put any of my own colors in here. This has 18 trays or 18 wells in this, as opposed to the 24 in this one, but I can put a lot more in here, and I've just got a I don't know what you call it, a lot of mixing space in here I can do anything with. This is marketed as a studio palette, and this one's nice because I can pull the tray out and I can either wash this to keep it clean if I want to, or I could use it as an additional tray. And one other really nice feature that this has that the others don't is this blue line across here, around here, I should say, is a little metal gasket. So when it closes, it stays closed and it doesn't leak, no matter how much water is in there. Now, your paints do get all messy and everything, but it won't get on anything else you have. But that's not what I'm here to talk about tonight. What I'm here to talk about tonight is this monster that I've gotten. Now, this one is from Meeden watercolors, and actually I should say this one and this one were actually from Meeden, but purchased several years ago. But this is my new one from Meeden. I'm going to open it up, and you can see already it's twice the size of this one. And the reason is this one has 24 full pans. Same deal as its medium brother and as its little brother. It pulls out. You've got all the pans in here. Take them out, put them in as you want. There we go, and fill them up with any color you want. So there you go. And I should say, I'm hoping that I can use this in the studio just like this to set along the side. I've got some special paints that I'm going to show you in the next video that I'm going to fill this with, and I hope you'll want to see that video. But I'm so excited to get this that I couldn't wait to show you. So thanks for the quick little video. Stick around for the next one and see what goes in here. All right, we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.